If you're looking for a work-from-home job that doesn't require any experience, I got you covered. The first company that you can explore is Alorca, and they are hiring a work-at-home healthcare customer service representative. This is a full-time position where you'll help customers with issues and concerns they are experiencing during the use of the product and/or service. For this position, you'll need a high school diploma or GED. Customer service experience is a plus, but not required. You should be tech savvy, familiar with Microsoft Office applications, and have excellent communication and listening skills. The salary for this position is $15 per hour, and it does come with a wide variety of benefits. Right now, Alorca is only hiring in the following states. The second company you can explore is Conduent, and they are hiring a remote call center customer service representative for Medicaid member support. In this position, you'll respond to South Carolina Medicaid members. For this job, you'll need to have a positive and energetic attitude, excellent communication, and time management skills. They do prefer candidates with 1 year of medical insurance or medical office experience, however, it is not required. You should also be tech savvy and have excellent data entry skills. Currently, Conduent is not hiring in these states for this position. The starting pay rate for this role is $13 an hour and $15 an hour if you're bilingual. The third company you can explore is Back Office Betties, and they are hiring full-time virtual receptionists / legal intake specialists. As a legal intake specialist, you'll answer 90 to 120 calls per day in a fast-paced environment. For this position, you must reside in Arizona, Nevada, Texas, or Florida, and you'll need to be available for an 8-hour shift between the hours of 5 a.m. and 5 p.m. Customer service or telephone experience is preferred, however, not required. The salary for this position is $15 to $17 per hour. Back Office Betties provides a wide variety of benefits, including internet reimbursement, all the equipment you'll need to do your job, and more. If you are looking for a part-time independent contracting role, check out Inbox Done. They hire inbox managers to manage clients' email. No experience is needed for this role. However, you should be open to constructive feedback, and you should be a quick learner and self-motivated. These part-time positions pay $16 to $17 per hour, and they offer paid holidays and unlimited retention upgrade bonuses. The fifth and final company you can explore is Lincoln Financial Group. For this particular position, you will need to live in Fort Wayne, Indiana. This is a work at home, and you use the office for appropriate in-person collaborations. In this position, you'll answer inbound calls, approximately 60 to 90 per day, and you'll answer email correspondence. Training is conducted on-site, and you will work at home after training. For this position, you'll need a high school diploma or GED, 0 to 1 years of general experience, excellent communication skills, and the ability to work with a team and learn quickly. The compensation for this position is $19.42 per hour and $20.42 per hour if you're bilingual. Lincoln Financial provides a wide variety of benefits. For more work-from-home jobs that don't require any experience, head on over to theworkathomewoman.com.